children.
Hi children.
Hi parents.
Hi parents.
I'm teacher Sarah here. And this is?
Teacher Sarah.
No, you are Giselle. Not teacher Sarah. This is Giselle.
I'm teacher Giselle.
Teacher Sarah is going to do with you all the creative lesson. So today, today we will be learning about the chicken life cycle. So what do you need from your pot box is this big piece of chicken egg.
And we have
These ones, we need this. And as well a pin. Alright, today we just need the red pin. So please pick up the red pin only. Alright. And what do you need from home is a brush.
You can see.
The egg is it. Alright, if you have a marker pen and color pencil or crayon for coloring. Alright. So let's start our class. Okay, this will be the chicken life cycle. So it will start from an egg. Okay, this is the chicken egg. Alright, Mei, come. The chicken egg. Which one is the chicken egg? Can you show? This one. The chicken lay the eggs. So it's this one. So firstly, we're going to color this egg first. Alright, we're going to color this. So I have prepared crayon for you. Can we color the egg? Lisa, can you color the egg? Color any color you like. Alright, can you try coloring the egg? Okay, you want pink color egg? Okay, I'm just going to open this. Okay, color the egg. You want it to be colorful also can. Next, you have to take off this brown string. Okay, you don't be colorful. Alright. So mommy, you can help by cutting this string. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do a nest. Something like this. The egg on the nest. You can see now. Okay, something like this. Okay. So we're gonna cut this string here. Okay, I'm just gonna cut a few shorter string.
No,
Okay.
don't cut.
Why don't cut?
I don't want you to
Alright,
cut.
so we're gonna make nest here. So we're gonna stick the string on here.
No.
At the bottom of the egg.
I don't
Okay? So
want.
what else you need from home is glue.
No,
Alright?
glue.
Okay?
No.
Yeah, I was just gonna be
Mom,
generous with
why
your
do
glue
you
here.
put the glue?
Okay.
I don't-
Okay, the next one you put the glue, alright? So can we stick here to do the nest so we can protect the egg from breaking. Okay? Can you do that, May? Put one at a time. Put one at a time, okay? Come. Can you do that? Alright, okay, never mind. This time let me help you, okay? Alright, so you're supposed to put the string one at a time. So that's your nest. So what happened next?
That's not a nest.
Okay, what happened next? Okay, what happened to the egg nest? Hey, what happened next? To the egg. After the egg, this is the egg, okay? After the egg's on the nest. What will happen? What do you think? The egg will hatch, correct? The egg will hatch. So can you try to open up? You can see the hole here. Can you try to open up this and see what is inside here? Tear it open. You tear it open. Slowly tear it open. See what is inside there? The egg is hatching. Can you see? What is inside there? Use the other hand. Try to open it. Can you see? You want to open from here. Open from the middle. Okay? Open from the middle. Okay? Tear it open a little bit. Tear it open here. What can you see there? What is that? It's a chick. Yeah, it's a chick. Just gonna tear it open like this, okay? Let's see. It's a baby chick. Alright, well done. Okay? It's a baby chick. Let's pretend a little bit here, okay? You wish you have a baby chick? Okay, so the baby chick hatched already. You can see the baby chick over here. Camera can see. You see the baby chick there, okay? So I'm just gonna leave it open like that. Okay. After the baby chick hatched, the egg hatched already, what will happen? What will happen, Giselle? What do you think? The baby chick will grow up like you, like that. See? Okay? Alright, so from this one, we're going to open up this yellow egg here, okay? Now, Giselle, you have to stick this yellow egg, yellow chick on here. Okay? I'm going to put the glue over here.
I want to.
Never mind, I apply the glue for you. You stick it there, okay? Try to follow the shape. Okay? Can you stick it there? Well done. What else? What else we have here inside this envelope is the eye. So we're going to give this chick the wiggly eyes. So how many eyes does the chick has? 2. So I'm going to put glue. Remember, I put the glue for you. You stick, okay? Okay, can you put 2 eyes there? Okay, okay. Alright, that's wonderful. And then you can draw the cheek, the beak, okay? It's a triangle shape. You going to try? Okay, I just draw the shape here. You're going to color. Hand color. No need to color. And we give the cheek a wing. Okay? Mommy's going to draw the wing here. Okay, maybe you can, Giselle, you can color the color. I draw for you already. Can we color, okay? Okay, can we color? Come, try color. Alright? Okay, come. We color together. Can we color together? You color this wing, I color this wing. Can we do that? Can we do that? Alright? Okay, can you color? Here? Color. Can we color? Giselle, can we color? Giselle, can we color? Okay, color. Color. Try to color inside the line, yeah? Alright, so after that, what will happen? After the cheek. Alright, can you color? Can you color the wing? Alright, okay, I help you for this, okay? I help you for this. Okay, next, what will happen? Can you guess what will happen here? The cheek will grow up into a mummy cheek. So we're going to put a mummy cheek here, which is your hand. Okay, we're going to paint your hand red color and stamp it here. Okay? Okay? We're going to do that. Okay? We're going to stamp that. So next we're going to do your mother hand here. Okay? By using your hand. So we're going to stamp your little child's hand over here, facing upwards, the finger. It can be your right hand or it can be your left hand. Okay? Alright, which hand do you want to use, Giselle? This hand, okay? So we're going to open up this. You're just going to use the red color. The yellow we keep aside for another project. Okay? To make it easy, we're just going to cut the corner here. Alright, I'm just going to cut. I need this. Alright, don't throw it away. Okay? Alright, I'm just going to cut the corner here. Alright. I'm just going to squeeze the paint out here.
I want to brush by myself.
Oh, okay, you can brush by yourself, alright? Alright, okay. Brush yourself. Just going to put it here. Make sure you prepare tissue or wet towel. Paint your whole palm, okay? You have to paint your whole palm. Alright, well done, Giselle. You did a really fantastic job. Okay, I'm going to put the scissors away. Okay, paint all your fingers, yeah? Don't forget to paint all your fingers. Well done! Okay, cover all the fingers and all your palm. Alright? Okay, the baby finger. How about the baby finger? Yes, nice one. Okay, okay. Alright, come, let me help you. Let me touch up, okay? Okay, wow, nice. Touch up. Nice red color. Okay, we are doing the mummy hand. Okay, you can stamp it there. Well done. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm going to put the paint aside here. Later we're going to wash our hands. Nicely done. Okay, I'm just going to wipe it first. Alright, later we wash our hands, okay? So, the thumb here is the mummy head.
Is it dry?
Huh?
It's dry.
It's not dry, later we wash, okay? Later we wash. So we have some wiggly eyes here.
I feel it's dry.
Yeah, it feels a bit dry. Okay? And then we're going to stick 2 eyes for this mummy what? Mummy chicken. Mummy hen, okay?
I want the good.
Never mind, mummy put, can you put 2 eyes here? Can you put 2 eyes here? Okay. Well done, well done. And then I'm just going to give this mummy cheek a bit. Just going to draw 3 circles up
I
here.
want to try to draw the mouth.
Oh, the mouth, okay.
I want.
You want to try? You can give your mummy cheek feet also. 2 feet. I show you here. I show you over here. Okay, 2 feet here. Alright, oopsie. Okay, and then you're done. Okay, next.
I want to
Okay,
draw
okay.
the mouth.
Okay, draw the mouth. What mouth you want? Okay, you want to do that mouth. Alright, okay. Well done. This is the life of a look like a giraffe. Life of chicken. Alright, you now you want to put glue. You put glue on this paper here. Can you do that? Can you do that? Use 2 hands. Can you use 2 hands? The other hand hold the paper. Spread it. This hand hold the paper. This hand spread the glue. Okay, understand? Like this. Alright. Okay. Flip it over.
I want
Stick it in the middle. Then let me see. Stick it in the middle. Alright. It says. Oh, sorry. Okay. Can you stick it? Okay. So this is the life of a chicken. So it started from egg. Alright. It started from egg. What will happen next? The egg will hatch into a baby chick. Then the baby chick will grow up into a not yet grow up. Baby chick will grow up into a kid chick. A kid. Alright? Then after the kid chick become a mommy or daddy chick. Okay? After that, if it's a mommy chick, the mommy will lay eggs. Okay? Alright, you can draw that. Alright? Understand, Giselle? Understand, children? So that's all. That's all for our video today. Can we all say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Can I draw the love?
Okay, we can draw the love.